channel today. We're just gonna make podcasts.
Hi, everybody.
So, yun ako noon, dito ko.
100 ka lang? 100,000 lang siya. So,
Oh, ikaw.
taas. Eh, sa'yo 22,000 lang eh.
Every emoji ka.
Ako hindi naglalaro lang ako kay Jillian. Emoji cut lang. Yan mo, nagkuha kami minsan.
You're gonna make emoji cat away.
Marunong yan. Hindi naman na, maggugawa ako ng emoji cut, diba? O kaya, ito yung background. Ibang background eh.
Okay naman.
Like a Christmas theme.
Okay, I'm making a Christmas theme right now.
Okay, I'm starting. I'm making my different shape. The ears, I'm making it a different shape.
What are you making?
La 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 la. I-beat mo yung 100,000 ha. Diyan nila. Para manalo tayo.
What kind of theme are you making?
Christmas theme too.
Oh,
Let's see who
okay.
does better. Even though I always broke my emoji cut, I got a hack so I cannot break my emoji cut.
Okay.
Girl, I made it red and white since that's the Christmas theme. Yeah, I almost break. I almost.
Ito.
Wait a second, Jillian. Let me just do this. Bro, I'm lagging. Yep, I'll just. Alam mo, 100,000 sa kanya, di ba? I mean, emoji cut. Gusto mo mag-work ka din para kasi wala kang magawa. Kaysa block ka lang. Eh, mag-emoji cut ka na lang. Wala ka naman para hindi para hindi ka purong block blast.
Paano na yan? Wala na. Paano na si kuya mo?
Oh my god, I break my emoji cat.
Ito, emoji cut niya. Ito akin.
Christmas.
Eyelashes. Eyelashes.
Paano na yan?
Oy, magbuka ka lang ng emoji. Mas malaki pa rin yung score ni Kuya Pin.
Oh, malapit pa ako sa kanya, di ba?
100,000 sa kanya and 8.
Sabi malapit pa ako sa kanya.
40,000 lang sa'yo.
Okay na yan, dami.
Kailangan mo i-beat score niya, di ba?
Sige
Sabi ni Kuya Pin.
Malapit rin naman ako sa kanya, di ba?
Magawa ka lang ng emoji cut, ha? Kasi wala ka naman pag-work kaysa emoji, pag-ano ka lang lagi i-drop plus. So, yan.
Mabilis na ako mag-podcast.
What? Let me see your emoji cut. Wait a second. And that's so cute.
Okay, so I'm gonna add some
You know what? I'm just gonna.
Paano yun eh? Base plus. Grabe na yung score.
8,000 points dyan. Sabi niyo, malapit na siya.
Ano bibiling ko, ma?
Mama, Ano daw bibili ni Kuya Penoy? Joyan,
What?
can you see my emoji cut, please?
Ano ba emoji cat?
See it.
Bilis mo.
Right now.
What is look at my emoji cat? What do you think?
It's good. Can you check on mine?
But wait, I have to add one more detail.
Ito yung emoji cut ko. Ito yung sa kanya.
Ganda.
Yung sa akin.
Dalawa nga ako.
Magawa ka rin ng emoji cut. Ano? General, kaysa ganyan ka na. Gusto mo sali ka sa amin? Gusto mo sali ka sa amin maggugawa ng emoji cut kasi wala ka na lang magawa kasi wala si Kuya Penny dito at ikaw block plus ka lang ng block plus. Eh.
Hindi, tatanungin ko nga siya.
Mamaya na, balik niya na lang para meron ka maibang gawa. Pwede, Janela, please.
So that
Can you see my emoji cut?
okay, I'm gonna send the emoji cat in 3, 2, 1.
First, check mine. I broke my emoji cut. I broke my emoji cut. Just check my emoji cut. It was so cute. Oh my god. I got a restart. This is my hair, so at least my hair is actually better.
Umuli na si Sir.
May ipifix ko to, Janela. Tignan mo. Janela, just watch me make an emoji cut. I'm bored.
How if I cannot see your screen?
Do you see my screen? Oh yeah, I forgot. Let me show my screen. You can see my screen now.
Oh,
It's actually so cute.
so what do you think about my emoji cat?
Yep, this is mine. Is it cute?
Is it yours? Yeah, it's cute.
Thanks.
That's good. Of course.
So, yari na siya. Lapit na.
68,000.
Lapit na.
Haba mabibit niya ulit score mo.
Hindi yan. Yan.
Tingnan mo na lang si Kuya Penoy haba. Ayan nga, mas pro yan sa'yo eh.
Ano?
Iwit mo nga high score ko muna. Ang challenge ako sa'yo. Ang challenge ko. Iwit mo high score ko.
Dami ako siya.
Yung 100,000, 160,000.
Ay, isang 60,000.
What can you
160.
Ayaw, hindi. Kaya ko.
Joyan, I broke my emoji cut again and I hate it. I broke my emoji cut.
You wanna go emoji cat?
Yes.
So what for emoji cat?
What if I want to make an emoji cut? Apo, mama.
Okay,
Damn. It's been freaking 20 minutes. Kakapunta pa lang ni Janelle. Ano ba yaw? At pagkawin mo. Janela.
Kanina yun.
126,000. Pero ka na mag-end game dyan para magkuha ng...
Ay, talo ko yung kuya mo.
Panalo ka. Wait lang. Pagbalik niya, wait lang, Janela. May isang round pa kayo, di ba? Maggawa ka muna ng emoji cut, please. Please, magawa ka ng emoji cut. Ayun lang gusto ko. Gugawa ka lang ng emoji cut na ano, kahit ano. Sa messenger,
Si Messenger.
Kasi doon naggugawa kami ng emoji cut eh. Walang YouTube channel dyan. Walang account dyan eh.
Kaya ako sorry.
Bakit? At least nabit mo kuya ko.
Ay, hindi pa. Hindi pa. Thank you. Ay. Ano naman yun?
I don't know what to do. Let's just not talk for a while.
Ano po yung
Later, I'm making an emoji cut and I want to send you it but I can't finish it. Let me finish it first.
Okay.
And we're gonna act again. May pinabili siya kay mama. Di ba inutusan siya ni mama? Oh, at bibili siya ng lomi.
Ay, Lomis.
Ang gusto ni Papa na ulam eh. Na 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 na. This for na 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 na.
Kapatid mo, sorry. Ganito ka lang. Ano ka mo? Panalo na panalo. Ako diba sabi siya, para kunin ko yung pelo mo eh. Diba?
Ito na ang ko.
Ka-add mo ba yung kanaro? No?
Dito ka na lang magano.
Di.
Mabait siya. Kalaro ko yun.
Takot ako dyan, ti.
Paano ka natakot sa kalaro ko? Habang nananapak
yun?
ng...
Siya ba yun?
Ayan yung nananapak eh. Joke lang. Hindi mo yan isisend. Oh, magawa ka ng emoji cut.
somebody before?
Ha? Di ba?
Oh, magawa ka ng emoji cut.
I have punched somebody in the
Hindi, ito yung emoji cut ko na Christmas. Look. Ganda ba? Eh,
Nagagtan yan.
ganyan. Gusto ko. Maraming design. Tinay ko best ko ilan best na to nasira.
I wanna show you something.
Ano white na bilog? Ay, ito pala, sorry.
Joey, do you know Chok Chog?
Yes. His real name is freaking Kyrie. I broke my emoji cut.
I have punched him. I have punched him.
Why did you punch him?
Because you get him very annoying and we always fight.
Bro, yari ka sa nanay niya. Yari ka kay Ate KK.
Bakit?
Kasi ako yung atin ni Ate KK.
Ayoko na.
Yes?
And also he punched back.
Oh,
And
damn.
he gets mad at him except for me.
Kick his the...
Kidding. Okay, that kidding. I do that but I dodge him.
Okay. I thought you kicked his the...
I have actually kind of killed him. Sometimes I was trying to punch him, but I was trying to not punch him. I was trying to kill him to pretend I am punching him.
Okay, I'm back, Julian. I mute. Can I see? Oh, magwa ka pa. Jaya, I'm gonna send you my emoji cut in 3, 2, 1.
What?
Look at my emoji cut. Ito yung emoji cut sinan ko. Ayan yung sa kanil. Sino mas maganda?
Zoe, who are you talking to?
Emoji cut ako sa Tricia.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to my friend. Bro.
Oh, can you